अब इस शाम को और खास और शानदार बनाते हैं. So now let's start with the most awaited award ceremony.
આજે અમે તમામ એકેડમિક તથા યુફોરિયા 2025 કોમ્પિટિશન વિનર્સને પ્રોત્સાહિત કરવા અવોર્ડ્સ આપીશું. સો લેટ્સ મૂવ ફર્ધર વિથ આર અવોર્ડ સેરેમની.
I would like to request our esteemed dignitaries to please come on stage to felicitate our students. I would request Dr. Bharti Ma'am Patel, Dean of our PDU Medical College and Professor and Head of our Dermatology Department. Dr. Monali Ma'am Makadia, Superintendent of our PDU Medical College and Hospital and Professor and Head of our Plastic Surgery Department.
બોક્સ સ્કીપ ન કરતો હે ને રાખજો આ તો લિસ્ટ વાઇઝ છે.
Respected Dr. Anil Sir Singh, Additional Dean and HOD of our Pharmacology Department. Dr. Jagdish Sir Kansagra, our title sponsor of this event.
Dr. Janmanjay Nathwani, Emergency Medicine HOD and Medical Officer.
Dr. Anjana Ma'am Trivedi, HOD of our Radiology Department. Dr. Ghanshyam Sir Kavatia, HOD of our Microbiology Department. Dr. Sejal Ma'am Mistry, HOD of our ENT Department. Dr. Madhulika Ma'am Mistry, Associate Professor of our Microbiology Department. Dr. Geeta Ma'am Singhal, Associate Professor of our Anatomy Department.
सपने जो देखे थे कभी अब उन्हें सच बनाना है. हर कठिनाई को पार मंजिल को पाना है. मेहनत से हर रास्ता सजाना है. सफलता को गले लगाना है.
Let's move further by encouraging our students who have excellently performed and have overcome all their fear in the most stressful situation, our academic scholars.
I would request Dr. Bharti Patel, Dean of our PDU Medical College, to please felicitate our students. So let's start from batch 2020. On the third rank, we have Rutvi Didi Dharodia.
The third rank goes to Happy Didi Kansagra.
The second rank goes to Harsh Bhai Dori.
And the first rank was secured by Darshil Bhai Dabi.
So now, batch 2022, on the third rank, we have Ishita Didi Somani.
The second rank goes to Khushi Didi Marwania.
And the first rank goes to Vatsal Bhai Kikani.
The third rank goes to Nandini Javya.
The second rank goes to Alafia Vora.
And the first rank goes to Rashmi Dikshit and Chak Diya. ख्वाब था जीत का, रास्ता था मुश्किल, हर एक तकलीफ को बनाया मैंने अपनी स्किल। जख्मों से देखा मैंने अपनी ताकत का रंग, खिलती थी मेहनत की फूलों से एक सुखद संग।
Now I would request our Dean ma'am to give a speech.
Vibrating good evening to all. I heartily welcome our esteemed all the faculties in this annual nights. I heartily welcome Dr. Kansagra sir and all the sponsors who are present here. Today's night is special. Why? It is not just because we are gathered here to celebrate Euphoria 2025, but it is a celebration of spirit and energy that makes our PDU Medical College vibrant and lively. Every year, new batch take responsibility to organizing this wonderful event. This year, 2023 batch has done fantastic job. We are feeling very proud કે અમારા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ મેડિકલ ક્ષેત્રે તો ખૂબ જ સરસ પ્રદર્શન કરે છે, પરંતુ ઇવેન્ટ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝિંગ કરીને એમના ટેલેન્ટનું ખૂબ જ સરસ પ્રદર્શન કર્યું છે. અને આ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝિંગ સાથે સાથે એ પણ ખબર પડે છે એ લોકો સૌથી સારા લીડર અને સંગઠક બની શકે છે. ખરું ને? આપણું આ ઇવેન્ટ આપણી કોલેજથી જ સરસ દેખાઈ રહ્યું છે કે આ સ્ટુડન્ટોએ કોલેજને એટલી સરસ ડેકોરેશન કર્યું છે કે ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ આટલું સરસ કોલેજ ડેકોરેટ થઈ છે. ઇવન ઇવનિંગનો તમે જે લાઇટિંગ સીન જોશો ત્યાં જ આપણને વાઇબ્રેટિંગ ફિલિંગ આવશે કે ના ના ધીસ ઇઝ યુફોરિયા. એ લોકોએ બનાવેલું જે બહાર જે લગાવેલું છે દરેક ફંક્શનનું એક એક દિવસનું, that is beautiful, and all the flowers they have made themselves, that all are the beautiful flowers. So this is fantastic and excellent decoration of our college. All the events of these functions all are enjoyable and energetic. And most important, yesterday's night were most vibrating night. Those who have experienced that night, how many are experienced that? હું જાણું છું કે અમે બધા જ જાણીએ છીએ, અહીંયા બેઠેલા બધા જ કે કોઈ પણ ફંક્શન, નાનું એવું ફંક્શન કરવું હોય ત્યારે કેટલા બધા પ્રયત્નો કરવા પડતા હોય છે. આ તો 15 દિવસનું ફંક્શન હતું. એમાં આટલા મોટા ફંક્શનમાં એ લોકોએ 1 થી 1.5 મહિનાથી દિવસ અને રાત ભેગા કરી અને પ્રયત્નો કરેલા છે. રાત દિવસ તે લોકો મહેનત, ડે એન્ડ નાઇટ. આપણે જોતા હતા કે જ્યારે ત્યારે લોકો આમ તેમ સ્ટુડન્ટ બધા આમથી આમ ફરતા હતા અને એમના મોઢા ઉપર એક ટેન્શન ફિલિંગ પણ હતું કે આ ફંક્શન કેવી રીતે સક્સેસફુલ બનાવવું. તો એના માટે લોકોએ ખરેખર ડે એન્ડ નાઇટ વર્કઆઉટ કર્યું છે. લેટ્સ કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેટ ધેમ. Your dedication, 2023 batch, your dedication, enthusiasm એન્ડ ટીમ વર્ક કાબેલે તારીફ છે. મેડિકલ જીવન માત્ર બુક્સ અને પેશન્ટનું જ નહીં, પરંતુ હસી ખુશી, દોસ્તી અને યાદોની સફર છે. યુફોરિયા ફંક્શનથી આનંદ, ક્રિએટિવિટી એન્ડ ફ્રેન્ડશીપનું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ તમને લોકોને ખરેખર યાદ કરાવે છે. અને જે તમે ખરેખર આ 15 દિવસના ફંક્શનમાં રિયલી તમારી ક્રિએટિવિટી, ફ્રેન્ડશીપ અને ખરેખર ખુશી અને હસીથી પસાર કર્યા છે, એ ખરેખર અમે આટલા 15 દિવસમાં મેં ઓબ્ઝર્વ કર્યું છે. મારી સાથે ઘણા જ ફેકલ્ટી એ લોકોએ પણ ઓબ્ઝર્વ કર્યું છે. ટુડે ઇઝ લાસ્ટ ડે ઓફ ધીસ ફંક્શન. So tonight, set everything aside. Just enjoy, dance, and make memories of these fantastic functions. Congratulations to 2023 batch organizing remarkable Euphoria 2025. જેમના સપોર્ટ વગર, સપોર્ટ વિના આ બેચ આવડું મોટું ફંક્શન ન કરી શકે એવા જુનિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ, ફર્સ્ટ યર સ્ટુડન્ટ, જેઓ રાત દિવસ એમની સાથે ને સાથે કામ કરતા હતા. કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન ટુ ધ ઓલ ધ ફર્સ્ટ યર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ. એમના સિનિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ જેમણે ખરેખર તેમને ગાઈડ કર્યા છે અને તેમને બહુ જ બધો સપોર્ટ આપી અને તેમને આ ફંક્શન કરવા માટે પ્રેરિત કર્યા છે. તો કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન ઓલ ધ સિનિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ. And most important, congratulations to audience. Without audience, what happened? Not any functions are live. So congratulations to all the audience. Most important, કે જેના વગર આવડું મોટું ફંક્શન શક્ય જ નથી એવા all the sponsors. Thank you very much to all the sponsors supporting our students of PDU Medical College Rajkot. Thank you very much to all the supporters. And thank you very much to all the faculties to present here and make today's night is memorable. So, let a big applause for the 2023 batch. So this is fantastic event. Whole event are organized very well. So again, congratulations to 2023 batch. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Dean ma'am, for giving us a wonderful speech.
Now I would request Dr. Janmanjay Nathwani, HOD of our Emergency Medicine Department and our medical officer, to please come on stage to felicitate our students.
And the winner is Samrat Bhai Solanki from 20 batch.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request Dr. Monalina Makaria, the superintendent of our PDU Medical College and the head of our plastic surgery department, to please share a few words of wisdom with us.
Good evening, all. I am really impressed by the organizing team, by the participatory team, and the audience. All of them have complemented each other and made this function fantabulous. I had the opportunity to attend a few events, and one event which became very dear to me was the fashion show. I was really impressed by the choice of costumes, the seamless execution of the sequences, and the performances. The choice of clothes, the choice of garments, the steps, and the dances all were very nice. And the prom sequence was extremely promising. I must say the chemistry of a few students was very good. Maybe in real life also they might be partners or they are going to be partners. I don't know, but it was very nice. Garba night was very nice. And today's event also is executed very well. ઓફિસમાં ઓલવેઝ પહેલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આવી જાય અને સાંજે ફોન આવી જાય એટલે આઈ હેવ ટુ અટેન્ડ ધીસ એન્ડ દે મેક ઇટ વેરી મેન્ડેટરી ફોર અસ ટુ અટેન્ડ એન્ડ આઈ રિયલી am thankful to them that I attended the functions. I enjoyed all the functions very much. And again, congratulations to the organizing batch, participatory batch, audience, and thanks to all the sponsors for making this event wonderful. Thank you. And I would like to take this opportunity to take your leave because I have to leave this place by 9:30 for personal reasons. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your beautiful words. हर कदम पे थक कर गिरा, फिर भी उठकर मैं चला। हर कदम पे थक कर गिरा, फिर भी उठकर मैं चला। दूर है मंजिल पर विश्वास है, सपने होंगे साकार, यही एहसास है।
વાહ વાહ, શું સરસ બોલ્યો.
Now I request Dr. Ghanshyam Sir Kavatia, HOD of our Microbiology Department, to bestow the sports winners of Euphoria 2025.
So we'll move ahead with the Cricket Carnival winners. For the most run goes to Jeel Bhai Koteja from 21 batch.
Most wicket goes to Uday Bhai Solanki, 21 batch.
And the runners up is team Dean 11.
And the winners are Spartans.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request Dr. Anjana Ma'am Trivedi, HOD of our Radiology Department, to please felicitate our box cricket winners.
The most valuable player award in boys category goes to Pratik Bhai Sasukya from 21 batch from Team Titans.
Most valuable player in girls goes to Mrugna Didi Lakhtaria from 22 batch from Team Titans.
And the runner-ups are Rahul Bhai Sharma and team.
And the winners are Ayan Bhai Odia and team. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Sejal Ma'am Mistry, HOD of our ENT department, to please felicitate our football winners. For the best striker goes to Harshal Bhai Chauhan from 21 batch from the team Chokers. For the best goalkeeper goes to Mohit Bhai Zala from 21 batch from the team Chokers. The runners-up are Strikers FC, Keyur Bhai Nayakpara and team. And the winners are Chokers, Harshal Bhai Chauhan and team. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Madhulika Ma'am Mistry to please felicitate our volleyball winners. For the best spiker goes to Keyur Bhai Nayakpara from 20 batch.
The best server goes to Arjun Bhai Kumawat from 2022 batch.
For the best setter goes to Ritik Bhai Biswas from 21 batch. And the runners-up is Thunder Spikers. And the winners are PMT Panthers. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Geeta Ma'am Singhal to please felicitate our Kabaddi winners. For the best raider goes to Aryan Godhani from 23 batch.
The best defender goes to Manish Bhai Chaudhary from 2022 batch.
For the best all-rounder goes to Vinay Bhojani from 24 batch. Ma'am, I would request Dr. Geeta ma'am to please stay for a moment. And the runners-up are Soratno Barvatio from 23 batch.
And the winners are Swaraj from 2022 batch.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I thank all our guests for felicitating the winners, and I request the following guests to please take their seats.
डॉक्टर सेजल मैम मिस्त्री, डॉक्टर घनश्याम सर कावटिया, डॉक्टर जनमंजय सर नाथवाणी, डॉक्टर अंजना त्रिवेदी, डॉक्टर जगदीश कंसागरा.
I would request Dr. Anil Singh sir to please come on stage and take their seat on the sofa. Now I request Dr. Shama Ma'am Gajera, Dr. Bharti Ma'am Korea, Dr. Rohit Sir Bhalara, Dr. Paresh Sir Khavdu,
डॉक्टर प्रवेक गुप्ता, डॉक्टर तेजल मैम जोशी, डॉक्टर सेजुल सर अंटाला, डॉक्टर परिंदा मैम बारोड, to please come on stage and take their seats.
Now I would request Dr. Shama Ma'am Gajera to felicitate our badminton winners. In men's singles category, the runner-up is Shubhbhai Pailajani from 20 batch.
And the winner is Keyurbai Nayakpara, 20 batch. In men's doubles category, the runner-up are Pritesh Bhai Malavya and Shubhbhai Pailajani from 20 batch.
And the winners are Keyurbai Nayakpara and Sandeep Bhai Panchal from 20 batch. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Bharti Ma'am Korea to felicitate our badminton women's category winners. In In women's single category, the runner-up is Keyaditi Vaishnav from 22 batch.
And the winner is Umika Hirani from 24 batch.
And in the women's double category, the runners-up are Vishwaditi Kotadia from 22 batch and Umika Hirani from 24 batch. And the winners are Keyaditi Vaishnav from 22 batch and Vishwa Mirza from 23 batch. And in the mixed category, the runners-up are Keyurbhai Nayakpara and Dhruvi Didi Sausani from 20 batch.
And the winners are Sandeep Bhai Panchal and Vishwasi Didi Chaudhary from 20 batch.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Anil Sir Singh to felicitate our table tennis winners. In men's single category, the runners-up is Yash Thakkar from 23 batch.
And the winner is Keval Bhai Zalavadia from 21 batch.
And in doubles category, the runners-up are Yash Thakkar and Pratham Zala from 23 batch. And the table tennis winners are Rutvik Bhai Dobaria and Karan Bhai Garaj from 21 batch. And in women's single category, the runners-up is Prithvi Masiawa from 23 batch.
And the winner is Dr. Pooja Didi Patel from Surgery Department.
In doubles runners-up category, we have Dr. Pooja Didi Patel from Surgery Department and Omika Hirani from 24 batch. And the winners are Pragati Didi Sorathia and Aditi Didi Nair from 21 batch.
In mixed category, the runner-ups are Jugal by Ahuja and Aditi Didi Nair from 21 batch.
And the winners are Yash Thakkar and Prithvi Mashiaba from 23 batch. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request Dr. Geeta Ma'am Singhal to please present her few words of wisdom with us.
થેન્ક યુ. તમારો જાજો ટાઈમ નહીં લઉં પણ થોડુંક તમારે લેક્ચર આપવું જ પડે. ગુડ ઇવનિંગ ટુ ઓલ એન્ડ રિસ્પેક્ટેડ ડીન મેડમ એન્ડ ઓલ ફેકલ્ટીઝ. વી આર સેલિબ્રેટ ધીસ ફંક્શન્સ. આપણે કહીએ ને કે ફંક્શન વાય વી સેલિબ્રેટ. The function serve as a why we are celebrate ke one is the power of unity. See your dress code, that is the power of unity, and we are showing and we are keep some time for our happiness, that is the hard work, that is the importance of the hard work. And last one here, the endless potential, or all medicos that keep with the endless potential. So here we are celebrate this mainly for the one is the power of unity, then importance of the hard work, and last one, the endless potential which lies in every medicos. So thank you to all. And last, કેમ કે ડૉક્ટરોએ તો આપણે છેલ્લે જિંદગીના છેલ્લી ક્ષણ સુધી કામ કરવાનું હોય, તો આપણે આપણા હેપીનેસ માટે શું કરવાનું? તો હું તમને ખાલી એટલું જ કહું છું કે पैसे इतने कमाओ कि कोई भी चीज आप खरीद सको, पा सको, और कीमती इतने बनो कि कोई भी अमीर आपको खरीद ना सके. थैंक यू टू ऑल.
Now I request Dr. Paresh Sir Khawdu to felicitate our pickleball winners. And the runner-ups are Mitul by Prithmani and Bhargav by Ganatra from 21 batch.
And the winners are Jeel by Koteja and Dhey by Tang from 21 batch. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request Dr. Rohit Sir Bhalara to please felicitate our further carom winners. In men's single category, the runners-up are Sujit Bhai Chauhan from 22 batch.
And the winner is Dr. Azil Sheikh. In doubles category, runner-ups are Sujit Bhai Chauhan and Manish Bhai Chaudhary from 2022 batch.
And the winners are Rajbhai Harsoda and Ankit Bhai Solanki from 21 batch. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request Dr. Pravik Sir Gupta to please felicitate our Women's Carom winners. In Women's Single category, the runners-up is Dr. Riddhi Ma'am Parmar from Pharmacology Department. And the winner is Alina Didi Sherasya from 21 batch. In women's double category, the runners-up are Alina Didi Sherasya and Aditi Didi Nair from 21 batch. And the winners are Mansi Didi Gohil and Rugna Didi Lakhtaria from 22 batch. And in the mixed category, the runners-up are Raghav Bhai Parikh from 22 batch and Suhani Sadatya from 23 batch. And the winners are Meet Bhai Savalya and Rugna Didi Lakhtaria from 22 batch. Thank you so much, sir.
Now, I would like to request Dr. Vishal Bhatt, BT Savani Hospital COO, to please come on stage and felicitate our chess winners.
Please let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause. The second runners-up is Shrey Gondalia from 23 batch. The first runners-up is Shrey Patel from 23 batch. And the winner is Ayush Bhai Savalya from 21 batch. Now let's proceed further with athletics, boys 100-meter race category. Sir, I would. In boys 100-meter race category, the second runner-up is Ayan Bhai Odia from 20 batch. The first runner-up is Karshan Bhai Ulva from 22 batch. And the winner is Vikram Bhai Chaudhary from 22 batch. Thank you so much, sir. Please take your seat on the sofa. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request Dr. Tejal Ma'am Joshi to please felicitate our athletic boys winners. In 400-meter race category, the second runner-up is Pratik Bhai Sasukia from 21 batch.
And the first runner-up is Bhavya Bhai Panchotia from 22 batch. And the winner is Sunil Bhai Dharajya from 21 batch.
And in 800-meter race category, the second runners-up is Tanish Amheda from 23 batch.
The first runner-up is Aditya Bhai Dadal from 22 batch.
And the winner is Krish Chhaya from 23 batch. And in 4 into 100-meter race relay race category, the second runner-up are Team Swaraj from 22 batch. First runners-up are PMT Panthers.
And the winners are Titans 21, Pratik Bhai Sasuke and team.
In the next category, 4 into 400 meter relay race category, the second runners-up are Strangers from 23 batch.
The first runner-ups are Swaraj from 2022 batch. And the winners are Titans, Deval Bhai Kher and team from 21 batch.
And in the long jump category, the second runner-up is Karshan Bhai Ulva from 22 batch. The first runner-up is Dhaval Madi from 23 batch. And the winner is Sunil Bhai Dharajia from 21 batch and Vikram Bhai Chaudhary from 22 batch.
In short put category, second runner-up is Mohit Bhai Zala from 21 batch.
The first runner-up is Manu Bhai Prasad from Surgery Department. And the winner is Sanjay Tang from 23 batch. In disc throw category, the second runner-up is Pramod Bhai Rathod from 21 batch. First runner-up is Mohit Bhai Zala from 21 batch. And the winner is Sanjay Tang from 23 batch.
In tug of war category, runners-up are Titans 21, Mohit Bhai Zala and team. And the winners are Jai Bajrang Bali from 22 batch.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Sejul Salantara to please felicitate our athletic girls winner. In 100-meter race category, the second runner-up is Pragati Didi Sorathia from 21 batch.
The first runner-up is Hetal Didi Baraya from 22 batch. And the winner is Jinal Didi Bora from 21 batch.
In 400-meter race category, the second runner-up is Ravina Didi Damur from 22 batch. The first runner-up is Hetal Didi Baraya from 22 batch. And the winner is Pratibha Didi Wasawa from 21 batch. In relay race category, the winners are Nupur Didi Waghela and team. In long jump category, the second runner-up is Nupur Didi Waghela from 21 batch. First runner-up is Hetal Didi Baraya from 22 batch. And the winner is Ravina Didi Damur from 22 batch.
In short put category, second runner-up is Jinal Didi Bora from 21 batch.
First runner-up is Priya Didi Meena from 21 batch. And the winner is Hetvi Didi Mehta from 21 batch.
In disc throw category, second runner-up is Jinal Didi Bora from 21 batch. The first runner-up is Pooja Didi Baidya from 21 batch. And the winner is Nisha Didi Kacha from 21 batch.
And in the tug of war category, the runners-up are Kruti Didi Makwana and team.
The winners are She Warriors.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request Dr. Parinda Ma'am Barot to please felicitate our further winners. In push-ups, the second runner-up is Deepak Parmar from 23 batch. The first runner-up is Dhruv Bhai Sandesh from 22 batch.
And the winner is Rahul Bhai Makwana from 21 batch.
In arm wrestling, 50 to 55 kg weight category, right hand goes to Hanshul Prajapati from 23 batch.
On the left hand, Bhavya Bhai Panchotia from 22 batch.
In 50 to 60 kg weight category, on right hand goes to Vikram Bhai Chaudhary from 22 batch. And on left hand goes to Karshan Bhai Ulva from 22 batch. In 60 to 65 kg weight category, on both right and left hand goes to Manish Bhai Chaudhary from 22 batch. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request Dr. Rashmi Ma'am Jadhav to please felicitate our further winners in arm wrestling. In 65 to 70 kg weight category, on both right and left hand, we have Dhruv Bhai Sandesh from 22 batch. I would request Dhruv Bhai Sandesh to please take their award on left hand also in 65 to 70 kg weight category. In 70 to 75 kg weight category, on both right and left hand, we have Raghav Bhai Parikh from 22 batch. In 75 to 80 kg weight category, on right hand we have Ramesh Bhai Gamara from 22 batch.
On the left hand, Shivang Tada from 23 batch.
In 80 to 85 kg weight category, on both right and left hand goes to Shivam Bhai Pandey from 22 batch.
In 85 to 90 kg weight category, on both right and left hand, prize goes to Prashant Bhai Dubey from 21 batch. In open weight category, on the right hand, we have Raghabhai Parikh from 22 batch. On the left hand, we have Manish Bhai Chaudhary from 22 batch.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much to all the guests for felicitating our winners.